Alright, let's solve the next sample question, which is very similar to sample question number 3, which we solved previously. In this example, I'm going to introduce you a new function called effects, which can calculate the effective interest rate when the normal interest rate is given. The scenario is pretty similar to the example 3. The only difference we're going to make a change is previously it was annual dividend with the $600, but now has been changed to quarterly dividend to $150. And the stock again is going to be sold in 5 years at 14K, and we have almost the same scenario. The only difference is payment. Instead of 600 per year, now there are 150 per quarter. Okay, so what will be the quarterly interest rate? First, we need to use the function rate, and here type equal and rate, open bracket, and number of period, which is not 5. Remember, we have to consider the quarterly rate, so we will multiply year by 4, which is going to be 20, and the payment will be 150, which is cell B2, and the present value 10K, and the future value will be 14K, and the rest we can assume that will be okay to make an assumption and hit enter, which you will get quarterly IRR close to about 3%. Now this is the quarterly interest rate. So what will be nominal interest rate per year? As we learned, we just have to multiply by 4 to the nominal interest rate, B6 multiplied by 4. Then you'll be able to get this percentage, which will be nominal annual IRR. Now we're going to calculate the effective annual IRR, which by using the effect function. So here type equal and type effect, and then open bracket, and the nominal rate will be B7, and the number of quarters per year is 4, and then we close bracket, and this function will give you the effective annual IRR, which is going to be 12.51. Alright, this will complete the analysis, but I'd like to explain a little bit more about the beauty of using Excel in this kind of calculations. By using the Excel, we can conduct the what if scenarios, or if maybe you want to make a mistake in entering some of these parameters, it is very easy to change the input parameters and see what the output will be. So let's say in this example, we can change this year from 5 to 10, then you will see it will automatically calculate based on the changed number. We can also change this quarterly dividend to 150 to 300, and you can see how the value will change. So this is why it is very useful to use Excel, and to use this kind of what if scenarios, we have to avoid inserting values instead of instead we should use the functions, because once you just insert all the values instead of function, and it will be very difficult to fix those. Alright, this concludes this video. Hope you can try different numbers to check whether you can check the changes.